Question 20 of the UTME 2018 Physics Past Questions, that's your Jamb 2018 Physics. It says, which of the following has the lowest internal resistance when new? Okay, option A says Leclanché cell, B says Daniel cell, C says a torch battery, and D says accumulator. Okay, the correct answer here is D, which says accumulator. Okay, and accumulators, they are secondary cell. Okay, this Leclanché cell and Daniel cell and the torch battery, they are primary cells. Okay, while your accumulator or your lead acid cells are secondary cells. Okay, secondary cells offers the lowest internal resistance. All right, you know, the internal resistance of a cell depends on some factors like the life of the cell and the electrolyte used. And the electrolyte used in an accumulator is what your lead acid. Okay, and lead acids offer low internal resistance. All right, and since they offer low internal resistance, they deliver high current on demand. Okay, so your secondary cells. All right, I hope you still remembered your types of primary cell: your Daniel cell, Leclanché cell, and your torch battery. They are primary cells which cannot be charged. Okay, but your secondary cells like your lead cell and your accumulator, they can be what? Recharged. All right, so the correct answer here is what? D.